Hello, it's Holly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a Boxycharm unboxing. This is a little late. It's May's box. It's been sitting around. I just haven't had the time to unbox it. So I'm going to unbox it 2 days before the month ends. And I will not be getting a Boxycharm for June because, well, I didn't feel like getting BOXY. Honestly, I didn't care for the BOXY the last time, so I just skipped it this time. So I'm going to unbox this box and I will just watch you guys' videos because honestly, I think that I don't know. I was gonna get just the Boxycharm box, but I figured they were just gonna concentrate on BOXY and Boxycharm was just gonna this month anyway, so I figured I'd just skip them both and then resume Boxycharm the following month. So anyway, let's just open this box. And Boxycharm, if you don't know anything about it, it's you get 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 full-size beauty products, makeup, hair care, skin care. Now you can fill out a beauty profile, and you don't get to choose what you get. They choose it for you. It's $21.99 a month, I think, something like that. $21.99, something like that. And then you can get BOXY, which is $50, and that's every 3 months, I think. I've been getting it about a year, but I think since they launched BOXY, they kind of are slipping on Boxycharm because this little teeny tiny box, I mean, this is a Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, and I think that it's only $6 more and you get way better things. Personally, that's my opinion, and I'm entitled to that opinion, so that's what I think anyway. But let's get into this box. I mean, I have been waiting a very long time to open it, so let's open it. So this is Make Waves, that's what it says, and there's what I get in here, and that's what it looks like when you open it up. All right, and well, let's pick out the biggest thing because Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Gentle but make it bubbly. The daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acid conditioned, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS, SLES free. All skin type approved. $28. I want to say we got something like this in the Glam Bag Plus. The Paris Hilton cleanser. I want to say that's what we got. Was it in the April box? I want to say it was. No, it was in the. Yes, it was. It was in the. Yeah, it was in the April box. Yep. Yep, it was in the. I believe it was the April. Yep, it was in the April Glam Bag Plus, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. It was the Paris Hilton cleanser, so similar, but there it is, the Glam Wow from Gentle Bubble. I'm curious to try that. I wanna, never, oh, I better not try and take that off, I might break it, but I'm kind of curious to try that. Smells good. Smells good. I'm going to give that a try. Does smell good. All right, and $28 for that. And then we have, what is this? I'm lost here. Dose of Color Liquid Matte Lipstick. Your new Dose of Color Liquid Matte Lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish, and this is $18. And my color is Rosebud. Let's see what Rosebud looks like. Ooh, that is very pretty. I like that color. Ooh. Smells like cake. It does, it smells like cake. What's it look like? Look good? Dries fast. It says new bestie. That dries really fast. I like that it dries fast. I do like that. And then next up is Color Shifting Pigments Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. All right. Ciate, I don't know how you say that. Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Your new Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid eyeshadow can be swiped on for full coverage, luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied all over any eyeshadow as a topper. $22. Woo-wee! That's expensive. For not being a pale, oh my. Well, hello. Look at that, girls. That is very sparkly. It's a sparkly sparkle. Let's see here. Let's see if I can sparkle myself up. There we go. That is some glittery stuff going on there. Wow, that's pretty glittery. I like it. I do like some glitter eyeshadow. Let's see how long it takes to dry up a little bit. And it says I got the color Cupid. That's the color I got. Okay. And then we have a little Bodyography Emerald Eye Pencil. And this is a vegan eyeliner pencil, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil. Is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil, vitamin E. Smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill, and define the lips. $14. Oh my, that is definitely wowie. I would never wear that as any kind of lip liner or nothing, no way this way. Not today. I would wear it like as eyeliner, but not as a lip liner. This says lip liner. This says lip pencil, but it says eyeliner here. It says eyeliner, and then down here it says lip pencil. Heck no. That stuff is dry now. That stuff. Okay, and now lastly we have Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. Okay, I need my scissors. I cannot get this doggone thing open. Where are you, scissors? Let's open you up. All right. Colorette Blush Trio. Get your blush on with new Alamar Cosmetics. Sorry. Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. $22. Here's the packaging. Beautiful packaging, but I am not so much with the colors. Very pretty packaging, very pretty presentation, but I am just not. Castaway, Paraiso, and Scorcher are the colors. It's just not me. That's all. Just not me. I mean, maybe if I blended them together or something, but just not me, you know, just not me. But that is it for my Boxycharm. I think I kind of confirmed why I did take a break from Boxycharm. I mean, this is just kind of, when I first signed up for Boxycharm, I was like, yes, Lord, yes. Oh my goodness, I love this. Thank you, thank you. Thank goodness I got this box in my life. And now I'm just like, yeah, whatever. I'm just, I don't even, when I get it, like I've had this box for 3 weeks now. I don't know. I'm just not even thrilled with it anymore. It doesn't, you know, I'm just not thrilled with it. I wish that I was happier with it. But to me, I'm wasting my money when I could be getting a box that I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so glad that it's here. And this is, I'm not happy with it. It doesn't make me happy anymore. And I was raised that if you're not happy with it, then you don't need it. So here is all the products that I received. I do like a few of the products that are in here. I'm not saying that I don't like the products. I'm just saying that I'm not wowed with them anymore. So I will use the products though. So if you would like to get Boxycharm in your life, I will leave the link down below where you can scoot on over there and get your own Boxycharm. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I will also suggest that you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to look for the next video that I'll probably be posting real soon. I am so messed up in the head today. It's hotter than the blazes in this house today. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I will see you in my next video real soon. I got a mess going on in this house. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video real soon. Bye now.